Good day, everybody. Ricardo, Mendiola, credit and real estate expert. Today, I want to talk about what type of debt we cannot run away from. The answer to that is government debt. If we owe federal student loans, maybe child support, maybe a federal business loan, if you owe that, there's nothing that you could do. There's no solution that will prevent you from paying that. Okay? Not even bankruptcy. A bankruptcy, you cannot file that type of debt in the bankruptcy. Credit repair. We could help you perhaps get it deleted from your credit report so it can improve your credit scores, but you still owe it. And the tricky part about it is this: if we don't take care of government debt, the government doesn't have to obey the state law. They could do whatever they want to recover their money. They could garnish your wages even if you don't live in a wage garnishment state. So if you have government debt, put it on your to-do list and take care of it because it will not go away. I hope this helps you out. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you.